Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is September 1st, 2020. Going to do a recap on the three main methods that we teach here at DayTradeToWin, the At the Open, the TradeScalper, and the Atlas line. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. And if you like these videos, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. So today we have the E-mini S&P with the volatility at 4 to 5 right in the beginning of the day, which is normal, and then it begins to slow down as we get into the afternoon. So adding the day trade to win at the open is very simple. A lot of traders ask me, how do you add the indicators to the chart? You basically right click on the chart and choose the day trade to win set of indicators that we offer. Some of these we offer with mentorship, others we offer standalone. So with the at the open 2, which I've added here to the chart, because I live in the New York time frame, 9:30 Eastern Standard, Eastern Daylight Savings Time currently, that's what I have to set my at the open indicator to begin. And we have a signal here for the at the open long about 10 o'clock. So this morning, September 1st, this was the signal to go long 3503. So everyone who has the at the open software has the same exact signal, which is a good thing. There's no way to mess this up really if you're trading the signals. Okay, next we have the Atlas line. If I add the Atlas line here to the chart, again, right click on the chart and choose the day trade to win set of indicators. We're going to go here now to the Atlas line. The same thing, my start time would be for 9:30. It's my time zone where I have the software set up. And so the Atlas line long signal at 3503.75 to go long. If you can see that there, let me actually make that a little bit bigger so everybody can see that. Okay, so the Atlas line saw long signal at 3503.75. Now in addition, you're going to see a couple of signals here. We have here a strength trade indicating to go long. And these are additional signals that the Atlas line produces. Strength trades, pullback trades as well. And so here you have the P's and the S's. They're indicating additional opportunities to buy and to go long. So this is the Atlas line for today. There are no short trades whatsoever. They are all trades to buy the market, the E-mini S&P, if that's the market that you're trading. Lastly, we have the TradeScalper. So once again, I'm going to add here the TradeScalper, finding the day trade to win set of indicators here, and we have here the TradeScalper. Now with the TradeScalper, we can go long or short for small targets and small stops. The idea behind the TradeScalper is to take multiple trades. I would say really between 5 and 6 trades overall would be enough to be up for the day. So you don't want to overtrade this method as well. And typically pre-market, it could be too slow to trade as well. So keep an eye on the volatility pre-market, whether it's worth the risk in trading if there's no movement, if the market's very slow and choppy. So here we have right at 9 o'clock, we have a short signal. This is again pre-market, and then at 9:30 the market officially, the day session, the cash session opens, and we have here a short, we have another short, and then we start having long trades, long trades, long trades. So here we're up already for the day, and there are at least 5 trades taken. Here's a 6th trade to go long. Here's a short. Now we're about 7, 8 trades into the day, and I think that this is enough at least to trade the first few hours of the day and stop. So this is the TradeScalper, the first few hours of the day, showing you what's possible each and every day using the methods, both the at the open, the Atlas line, and the TradeScalper. If you have any questions, email us at support@DayTradeToWin.com, and the next mentorship class begins September 15th, 2020. Until next time, good trading. If you want to learn more about trading, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software